What's up, YouTube? This is Atticus from The Complete Trade, and today we're going to be taking a look at Ethereum. So, keeping things short and simple, during the last Ethereum episode, we talked about how ETH was in Fibonacci and pitchfork resistance. Since then, Ethereum has formed a bearish shooting star candle on the daily time frame inside our white Fibonacci target area. Now, if this wave 2 retracement towards the downside is beginning to unfold, our new blue Fibonacci retracement support area will most likely span between $1,670 and $2,000. Within this blue Fibonacci retracement support area lies the broken supply trend line, the 200 daily moving average in red, as well as the 50 weekly moving average in orange and the 200 weekly moving average in red. The moving averages will most likely serve as liquidity points for a potential bullish reversal. In the near short term, I just expect some sideways chop and potential whipsaw price action, especially with FOMC happening tomorrow. So as stated in the Coinbase episode on Friday and the Bitcoin episode on Sunday, even though we warned about opening long positions up here, I'm personally not selling anything. If ETH continues to pull back, I will continue to add on to my existing positions. I'm not going to incur short-term capital gains tax on the ETH I purchased in September over this upcoming pullback. Additionally, another reason I'm not selling is because since the very first episode, we've been saying that cryptocurrencies are on the verge of a substantial bull market. In my opinion, it's much more dangerous not to have a position in crypto than it is to have a position in crypto. Moving into some indicators, starting with the RSI on the daily time frame, we do have plenty of bearish divergence where the price of Ethereum has made a series of higher highs, but the daily RSI is printing a series of lower highs. This is bearish for the short term. On the MACD, we can see bearish divergence on the histogram, so bullish momentum is starting to fade away. Additionally, we do have a bearish MACD cross on the daily time frame as well. Moving over to the volatility expansion index, we have an extreme volatility reading at 91%. This is why I believe in the near short term, we're probably due for some whipsaw sideways price action, especially with Jerome Powell speaking tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern. Shifting gears to the Ethereum against Bitcoin valuation, the long-term picture remains the same. In the short term, the Ethereum against Bitcoin valuation continues to cling on to the white 1.618 trend-based fib extension for dear life. For the longer-term picture, the Ethereum against Bitcoin valuation is just consolidating right under the 200 weekly moving average in red and right under the bullish falling wedge. Even if the Ethereum against Bitcoin valuation does take out the June 2022 lows, we have the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement to act as support. As of right now, I simply think it's just a waiting game. In my opinion, selling your Ethereum for Bitcoin is the wrong decision given how depressed the Ethereum against Bitcoin valuation is already. Closing things off with some regression, just a quick overview. The red region represents Ethereum's overvaluation, the green region represents Ethereum's undervaluation, and the white region represents Ethereum's despair region. As we've spoken about time and time again, whenever Ethereum enters the despair region, it is a once-in-a-lifetime buying opportunity because every time that Ethereum leaves the despair region, Ethereum has always managed to hit new all-time highs, and this time won't be any exception. Now, just a few minutes ago, we drew a blue Fibonacci retracement support area. So if we zoom in, we can see that the despair region is already intersecting with our blue Fibonacci retracement support area. So when Ethereum does re-enter the despair region, we'll let you guys know. On a side note, this handsome looking woman over here, Mrs. Senator Elizabeth Warren, issued a new bill to regulate cryptocurrencies, saying that crypto is being used for illicit activities such as money laundering, drug trafficking, and sanctions evasions. I got to be honest, market makers are getting a bit lazy reusing the same narratives. It's honestly getting boring at this point. Same with the repeated Bitcoin ETF rumors. It's just getting a bit old. So just wrapping things up, when Ethereum re-enters its despair region, we'll let you guys know because that will be, once again, a once-in-a-lifetime buying opportunity. Okay, so that's my analysis on Ethereum for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.